Happening today, and the survey says, well, later on this morning, we will learn the results of a countywide survey on bell schedule changes for Hillsborough County schools. Superintendent Jeff Eakins will reveal his survey or his proposal for next school year based off those results. Avery Cotton live at West Tampa Elementary School this morning. And Avery, this is really a big deal for parents and students alike.
Yeah, especially for elementary school parents, Paul, and that's because if the school board's original schedule goes through, elementary schools would start at 8:35 in the morning, meaning that kids would get out even later in the day. And for these elementary school parents, that means they'd have to think about after-school childcare.
Does that impact what you do in the morning?
It definitely does, because work day for me starts at 6:30. I've had to use alternative daycare, so before school starts and also after.
Over the last several weeks, the county has held different meetings for parents, students, and staff to voice their opinions on these new bell times. Also, more than 57,000 people have participated in an online survey. We're told the superintendent plans to present the school board with the option that most people preferred on that survey. A reminder, the tentative schedule the board proposed had high schools and magnet schools starting at 7:15, elementary schools again at 8:35, and middle schools starting at 9:15. The school board will need to formally approve whatever the decision is next week. Now, the reason the school board says they're doing this is so that school buses have more time to get kids to school on time. The school board also says this could save $2 million that would then be funneled back into the classroom. Now, this is all going to happen this morning at 11:30. We will carry that live for you on our midday show beginning at 11 o'clock. Paul.
Making sure the kids don't skip, they make class and saving money all at the same time. All right, Avery Cotton, live in Tampa this morning. Thanks so much.